Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss pharmacovigilance, an essential branch of science that ensures medicines are not only effective but also safe for the people who use them. Pharmacovigilance plays a critical role in protecting public health. It helps us detect harmful effects of drugs, assess their risk, and prevent further damage. Let's explore how it works, why it is needed, and who is involved. The World Health Organization defines pharmacovigilance as the science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any other medicine related problems. The main goals are to identify previously unknown adverse drug reactions, to reduce risk associated with medicine use, to promote the safe, rational, and effective use of medicines, and to build public confidence in drug safety systems. Without pharmacovigilance, harmful medicines could remain in use and affect thousands or even millions of patients. Why pharmacovigilance is needed? Even though drugs go through extensive clinical trials, these trials are conducted in controlled conditions with a limited number of participants and often exclude special populations like children, elderly, or pregnant women. Once a drug is released to general population, rare side effects or long-term risk may appear. For example, a side effect that occurs in 1 out of 10,000 people may not show up during trials, but will be noticed when the drug is prescribed worldwide. Pharmacovigilance bridges this gap by monitoring drugs after approval and making sure they remain safe. Pharmacovigilance involves several core activities. Adverse drug reaction reporting. Doctors, pharmacists, nurses, and even patients can report side effects through national reporting systems. Data collection and signal detection. Large volumes of safety data are collected in databases. Statistical methods are used to identify unusual patterns called signals, which may indicate a new risk. Causality assessment. Experts analyze whether the adverse event was really caused by the drug or due to other factors like illness or drug interactions. Risk assessment and communication. Once a risk is confirmed, authorities decide how serious it is and they inform healthcare providers and the public. Regulatory action. Actions may include updating drug labels, issuing safety warnings, restricting use in certain populations, or, in extreme cases, withdrawing the medicine from the market. Pharmacovigilance is a shared responsibility. The main stakeholders are healthcare professionals. They play the first role in detecting and reporting adverse drug reactions. Patients. Patient awareness is growing and they can directly report side effects through online or mobile-based systems. Pharmaceutical companies, they are legally required to continuously monitor the safety of their products and submit regular safety reports. Regulatory authorities, organizations like WHO, UMC, means World Health Organization or Uppsala Monitoring Center, US FDA, EMA, European Medicines Agency, and India's PVPI, Pharmacovigilance Program of India, collect reports, evaluate risk, and take safety measures. Examples and real-world impact. Let's look at some real-world cases. The painkiller rofecoxib was withdrawn from the global market in 2004 after it was linked to increased risk of heart attack and stroke. The diabetes drug rosiglitazone faced strict restrictions due to cardiovascular risk. Even common drugs like antibiotics and vaccines continue to be monitored for rare but serious reactions. Conclusion: to sum up, pharmacovigilance is much more than monitoring side effects. It is lifelong safety net that protects patients throughout the entire life cycle of medicine, from the day it is approved until the day it is withdrawn. It ensures safe, rational, and effective use of medicine, reduces health risk, and builds trust between patients and healthcare systems. Thank you for watching this overview of pharmacovigilance.